Give me one more. Okay, enter. Good afternoon or morning? Is this still morning or good afternoon? Good afternoon. Did you send the results? Huh? Okay. Yes, have you checked? So what did they say?
Malaria, 1 plus 8, 5.5.
I have the typhoid I have. Oh, that is in my body rather is higher. Okay. Sure.
Let me see here. Okay.
I have more vein on my left than my right though. Because I used to be left-handed.
You used to?
When I was little.
Okay.
But they used to beat me. I got used to using the two hand. My daughter now, my little baby has left hand. You know enter. Oh. Now send the transfer. It has come. So I can go now. Do I have any time I need to come?
Yeah. Tomorrow morning.
Do I have to be coming like a particular time? Then the malaria, do I have any tablets? No paracetamol.
That's not tablets.
I'm supposed to give me paracetamol. I did not say I thought so. I don't have. I just told you I've not.
I took paracetamol tablets yesterday.
No, I have not. Right. That right ahead is good. I've had good reviews about it, so I will take this and then this one I've been taking cod liver oil in fact for as long as I can remember. Like since this zinc supplement is for 7,000 naira.
Ill thinking about the business for such a long time, and Kinshuk is worried due to Aisha, as I suspect.
They said I should also bring
Ugu 200, got the egg with 500. Ugu 200 is for them. I'll buy other money and I will buy more. Put the book. I'll take you off for never myself.
You know my customer, I know they give you about them.
Banga, how much for Mudu? Mudu? Aku? Huh? Give me one Mudu. So one pure water is now 15 naira. One pure water like this, 15 naira. I want. So these are the things I got. See this okra. This okra is for 1,000. It's 1,000 naira okra. The banga is for 900. One mudu. This meat is 4,000 naira. Meche no there. This meat is 4,000 naira. This tomato is for 800. This half pint of tomato, 800 naira. And this is the egg leaf. One is 200. This is 3. I got the 3 for 500. This one is Ogo. I'm gonna see 200 naira Ogo. 200 naira Ogo. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not even up to 12 pieces. 12 leaves. 200. This pepper is for 400 naira.
We know your clothes.
This 1,000 naira piece. This is scattered. That's why I don't want to pour it out. And this is the 1,000 naira stockfish. This hey, I no buy crayfish. This 1,000 naira stockfish. Hey. And this is the 200 naira onion. 2, 4, 6, 8. 200 naira onion. I bought this up for 200 naira. I want to eat it. Yes. And the gari, the noodle of gari is for 700. White one. 700. Again, sorry. Okay? It's okay. Sorry. So just finish your assignment. Let's check out. I'm gonna bring your assignment. Let me see what they ask you. Okay, can you use me that?
My God.
Can you use me? I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. That's spice. That's what. Show me before. Show me the book. I'm not saying it. Orange. So I'm done cooking, and these are the ones I want to put in the fridge. I've already removed the ones I'm going to use to eat this night. Yeah, but I'm done cooking.
What are you? Huh? Customer care. What's the office?
So I just got back now. Like, guys, I cleaned my makeup on the road. The sun was too much. Like, my face was literally dripping. I had to clean the makeup, make I use my life do so. Now that's why I don't really like to wear makeup this time, because if you're going out and you don't have a car, and you're not under AC, the makeup is just a waste of time. Because if you're someone like me that sweats a lot on the face and on the head, you end up coming back with a makeup that is looking fun. So I had to clean it on the road when I was inside the cab, because it was too tight. Now commercial taxi, so it was too tight. I had to clean it so that I can breathe. But yeah, I just got back home now. Yeah, and yeah.